Alright, so Christian and I just got our wood chip pile.
Look at it! We're halfway done!
Alright, so this is for the veggies in the backyard this summer.
Wait and see.
So we got all the wood chips into the backyard. You can see the few dirt beds that we've dug out to get ready for the plants. And yeah, this is going to be a big project this year. We also added this little section, help try to collect some of the rainwater. We got the last few pieces here installed, and this is just a pretty simple split to these little half-inch irrigation tubes. And it's buried slightly underneath everything that you saw before, but not all the way. These beds will have corn, green beans, squash, plus some peppers and tomatoes here. And then over in this bed, we're going to be doing a bunch of lettuce and onions and carrots and all kinds of stuff. And then we had the pipe continue from here, under and along here to get the rose bush and the grapevine that we've always had. We're doing our own compost for the first time, so we'll probably eventually do a video on that once we know what we're doing a little bit more, but